Hi everyone, welcome to this new video on 3 free ways to massive website traffic. Now what you'll learn today is how to use Google Alerts on popular blogs so that you know what is the latest being published, what is multi-channel content distribution network and how you can set up one, how by interviewing industry expert can drive your traffic to the roof. Now first of all, you might have heard of Google Alert. Do you know what it does? Google Alerts allows you to pick up based on keywords a particular news, a particular blog post, and you can monitor a specific blog on their latest articles that's been published, or you can monitor certain keywords that's been mentioned as and when it's on the web. Now let's take a look on Google now. Now this is Google Alerts. You can actually go to the search bar or go to the Google search to search for it. So if I want to build alerts, for example, I have two alerts here. One is 1 for 1, one is 50% off. So these are the alerts that I actually set. So whenever there's the search phrase that came out, I will be alerted. So this is more for my community or in Facebook. So for example, I'll create alert about dog treats. Now you can see that Google actually give us a list on all the different news that will come out that contain this word treats or dog treat. So you can further refine this by creating the alerts by clicking on this show option first and decide how often do you want to receive it. Once a day or as it happens. I usually use as it happens. And sources, you can choose news, blog, website, videos, books, discussion, finance. So this is probably web. And language, I'll leave it at English. Region, you can set which country. Is it Singapore or US, or I'll leave it at Singapore. And how many, I'll say the best result. And email to my email address. So in this case, I'll blank out my email. And then you can create the alert. So it is very simple. So you can do this for anything that you are in. For example, you are in the health niche, you are in any of the weight loss niche, or you are in any e-commerce site that you want to track the trends of certain website. You can do so. Okay, next is to have more than one channels, whereby why do you need to have more than one channels in terms of getting traffic? Because most of the traffic flow from high traffic to low traffic, and having a mixture of all the different sources, you actually can tap on to whatever traffics that appeal to that group of people and let it flow downwards to your website or to your destination page. So what you can do is you can build different types of network using this ifttt.com. It is a website whereby you can set up a network of account. For example, you publish a blog post and you want this post to appear on Facebook, you can do so by setting up the link. Next is to make a list of 10 to 20 experts that's in your industry. So I'll usually do that, and for any niche I'll go in because I'm not an expert. So what I do is I'll try to interview them, whether through audio, whether through email interview or through a video interview. You can do so, and they are very willing to share with you. So these are the three methods that can immediately make a boost to your web traffic. Now in summary, Google Alerts can inform you as and when something popular happen, or when someone popular publish your content. You rather be publish similar content at the same time to make sharing easy on social media, on your blog as well. Now post your content to more than one social media, repurpose them at all times. If you need to know what is content repurposing, I'll leave a link to the video at the end of this video. And do make a list of 10 to 20 industry experts in your niche and prepare 10 questions that you can ask them, whether in emails or whether in videos. They will be more than willing to share with you, and at the same time you're branding yourself to be the same expert as them. So I hope that this video is useful to you, and do like, subscribe and comment, and I'll see you in the next video.